Distributed energy resources based EV charging station with seamless connection to grid.
Abstract.
In this project, the charging of electric vehicles (EVs) via common DC bus charging infrastructure based on hybrid renewable energy sources such as solar photovoltaic (PV) and fuel cell is presented. The requisite to incorporate renewable energy-based distributed energy resources (DERs) is attributed to the escalating concern for decarbonization with improved power quality requiring. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references.
PPT.
In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references.
Results.
In this project, the block diagram illustrates an three-phase grid connected through Connect with STS, bidirectional switch connected mode, due to grid connected mode and synchronization control mode of operation, which consists of solar, battery and fuel cell sources. The incremental conductance-based MPPT method is utilized and the seamless power transfer capability is achieved with the utilization of static transfer switches, STSs. The grid is utilized for power storage transfer during the grid presence, and with the grid outage, the power is delivered to the local loads along with charging of EVs. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.